Hi guys. I'm just excited because like I haven't done like a colorful makeup look and I've done it now, and now I'm just ecstatic, happy, you know, all of it. But okay, so today basically what we're gonna be doing is I have like about 20 sorry, I just got my like second ear pierced, and it kind of, speaking of ear pierced, I should put in some earrings. Okay, I'm back. So I got these like cool little snake print like little Johns, and basically I'm just gonna put these in my ears real quick because I feel naked. I feel, ooh. Do you see the difference? It's like I turn from like a bad bitch to a even better bitch. Oh. So basically today I'm going to be showing you guys how, like, I know you're staring at this hair. I know you're like, girl, what's going on? Wait, pause. Before I even talk, let me show you these edges. Do you see this? Let me not show you that part, but do you see this? Oh my god, oh my god. And this is just me waking up. I have not done my hair at all. I have not touched it. I literally just took it out of the scarf and did what I gotta do. But today, basically, the hair that I have in my hair is Yalissa's loose, deep waved in a 24, 24, 22, and a 22, and a 20-inch frontal. I have over a bajillion like videos of me putting on a wig. If you haven't seen it, sis, get your life. Get your life, okay? Get your life. And you got it together? Okay, good. So I'm just basically gonna show you like how I style this curly hair, like how I style my curly hair, you know, cute like that. And I'll just have a couple products. It's not that hard, I swear. Like, this hair feels so good, and soon I probably might just do how I pluck my frontals, because I literally just did a new method and I didn't even know if it was gonna work, and it did. It's kind of like the soft edges type baby hairs, because they're not like glued down, and I'm gonna show you how I do that. Okay, the first thing I do is just take a spray bottle and like just spray my hair. This is like a 1, 2, 3 step, bro. You don't want your hair like drenched, because it's really not that deep. Like, that's not. I just think this hair is so freaking pretty. Like, it's like, yeah, it's just pretty. It's like not too curly, because like I like curly like wigs, but I have curly hair, so it's just like some points I'm just like, I could just do this to my hair. But my hair doesn't look like this, so it makes me even more happier. Once I do that, I just take, I'm gonna do the other side next. I'm just, one step by step, girl. Don't go too fast. So I'm gonna use the Blueberry Bliss curls. So you can see that. I'm gonna use the Blueberry Bliss curls. It's like just this travel size twist and shout cream. I like it because it's thick, and it's like, I feel like the hair needs some love. Like, if you just walk out and just wet your hair like this, like, sis, if you don't do this with your curly hair, why would you do this to your wigs? Like, I'm just gonna put that all over. And then I'm gonna once I do that, I'm gonna take some of this, which is the Cantu Stay Glue. I just took this from my mom because I had some Eco Styler, but unless I'm running out, oh my god. There's like nothing in here. Okay, I'm gonna go grab some Eco Styler. Hold on. Listen, I know Eco Styler is banned, and I literally I'm a victim of saying that it's banned. I just can't leave, so let's just ignore it, okay? Okay. I just put a little bit in my hands because I don't want too much. I don't want it to be crunchy, and then I'm just gonna go like this and scrunch the curls, because I actually like wearing this hair like curly. It's like super, oh my god, these curls are so freaking nice. And then I'm just gonna put it in my hair so it looks all slick and stuff. Okay, I'm going to do this to the other side and then we're going to go to the edges, okay? So I just did this, and so basically my edges are pretty much done, but I would like to, like, you know, clean them up just a little bit. And so how do I get the soft edges thing is like, so I looked up and everybody was like, oh, you should use mousse and stuff, but I don't have mousse on me, and all I have is this like moisturizer because I'm home and I didn't bring half of this stuff with me. But what I do is I take a little bit on my finger and then I just put it on here. And it lays it down, since it's not like, it's like, I don't know, it just lays it down. I don't know how to explain this. So basically all I do is just let this dry, and then once I know it's all dry, I just brush it out a little bit. But I think I might just keep it like this for now because I'm feeling this like sleek little look here. If you can see, I accidentally plucked too much. So what I do is just bring this down so nobody like knows. But this is this hair, and honestly this is like a really quick video just to show you how like I style my wigs. But yeah guys, this was just a really quick video. I love you so much. I just wanted to show you how I did my hair, and just so you remember, this is the Alyssa hair in a loose deep wave. Sis, go get it, because I need to show you guys. And if you want to see how I make my wigs, I have a video on it and it's down below, just so you can click it, and I'll make sure at the end of the video you'll be able to click it also. So I hope you guys like it so much. Okay, bye.